Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to today's webinar where we will be diving into the world of virtual and augmented reality and its transformative potential in the architecture, engineering, and construction industry. Today, we'll focus on establishing a practical Revit to VR workflow and explore why integrating VR and AR in your architectural presentations can truly revolutionize your client-facing process. So, just to introduce ourselves, your hosts for today, my name is Dana Warren, and I am Yulio's Client Success Manager. I help our clients create, enhance, and present AR and VR in a simple way that fits their practice's workflow. I've been with Yulio and sharing the magic of it since about 2016, and most recently at Cisco Live in Amsterdam. So I'm an architect by training, and I feel like I bring a unique and practical focus to our digital technologies that help our clients get the most out of their presentations. Also with me today, I'll let Reggiani introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Reggiani. I am a civil engineer with over 10 years experience in the AEC market, working mostly with BIM modeling for structural projects. Now at Yulio, my mission is to expand the use of VR amongst architects, engineers, and designers, helping them to communicate their ideas. Where we are. You might have noticed that virtual reality and augmented reality have been on the verge of becoming game-changing technologies for the AEC industry since around 2015. These technologies offer a glimpse into a world that doesn't yet exist and allow us to bring digital elements into the real world for improved understanding of fit and context. However, their true potential has remained somewhat limited, often reserved for special use cases.
So why should you consider building a Revit to VR workflow? VR experiences immerse clients in your designs, offering a sense of size, scale, flow, and understanding that surpasses traditional models or 2D images. It creates those wow moments, engages your clients in conversations that wouldn't happen with plans alone, and fosters a shared understanding, leading to faster sign-offs and fewer revisions. In essence, VR makes it easier for clients to collaborate with you, ultimately saving time and resources.
Let's delve now into why virtual reality and augmented reality are essential tools that architects should consider adding to their practice. Enhanced design visualization. VR and AR offer architects a powerful means of presenting their designs in a more compelling and immersive way. With VR, clients can step inside virtual spaces and experience the design firsthand, gaining a deeper understanding of the space, of the spatial layout, scale, and flow. AR, on the other hand, enables architects to overlay digital elements onto the real world, allowing clients to visualize how proposed architectural elements will fit within existing environments. These technologies provide a level of design visualization that traditional 2D drawings and static renderings simply cannot achieve. Improved client engagement. By incorporating VR and AR into their presentations, architects can create those captivating wow moments for clients, being able to virtually walk through a design or see AR objects seamlessly integrated into their surroundings, spark enthusiasm, and fosters a strong emotional connection with the project. This engagement leads to more productive and collaborative discussions with clients, resulting in quicker decision-making and project sign-offs. A streamlined design iterations. VR and AR technologies facilitate real-time design iterations and feedback. Architects can make on-the-spot adjustments during client presentations, addressing concerns and exploring design alternatives without having to go back to the drawing board. Its iterative and interactive process accelerates the design development phase, saving time and resources while ensuring client satisfaction. Enhanced communication and collaboration. VR and AR bridge the gap between architects and clients, enabling better communication and a shared understanding of design intent. Clients can provide feedback more effectively when they can visualize the project in a realistic and immersive way. Additionally, VR and AR facilitate collaboration among project stakeholders, including engineers, contractors, and interior designers, fostering a more integrated and cohesive design process.
Marketing and business advantages. Implementing VR and AR technologies in architectural presentations can give architects a competitive edge in the market. Offering innovative and cutting-edge visualization tools sets firms apart and positions them as industry leaders in embracing emerging technologies. It also expands their service offerings and attracts clients who value forward-thinking and immersive design experiences. Sustainable design decisions. VR and AR can aid architects in making more sustainable design decisions. Clients can better understand the impact of design choices on energy consumption, lighting, and spatial efficiency, leading to environmentally conscious design solutions. And lastly, future-proofing the practice. As VR and AR become more prevalent in the AEC industry, incorporating these technologies into architectural practices ensures future relevance and adaptability. By familiarizing themselves with VR and AR early on, architects can stay at the forefront of design innovation and remain competitive in an evolving industry.
Making VR part of architectural presentations has historically faced some challenges. The learning curve for VR authoring tools can be steep, requiring complex and time-consuming processes to render scenes and stitch them together for a full 360 view. To unlock the true power of VR and AR as practical business tools, they need to become part of a seamless Revit to VR workflow. Why is this essential? Well, waiting days for a VR project to be created is simply not feasible for most client presentations, and it can overload the design queue. By enabling a simple and fast path to VR from your CAD software, we can initiate a genuine transformation in the client-facing workflow, integrating these immersive technologies for maximum impact.
When presenting VR projects to clients, the output must be easily shareable and accessible. Traditional geometry-based solutions often require significant computing power and may pose security issues when sending executables. Additionally, they may lack the realism necessary to impress clients. Yulio, on the other hand, seamlessly integrates with Revit, packaging projects in the cloud and generating a URL for easy sharing via text, email, or live presentations on devices like your headset or browser. During presentations, Yulio enables engagement with icons that show exactly what your clients are looking at, allowing you to guide the experience and cater to their preferences.
You can also enhance your projects by taking storytelling to the next level. Adding ambient audio, lifelike animations, and interactive elements enhances realism and captivates your audience. Yulio allows you to add still images, text, and links directly within the VR experience, giving clients all the information they need in one file.
Finally, consider the benefits of augmented reality, AR, objects, which allow you to place proposed architectural elements into the real world during client meetings. Yulio lets you easily tag objects for AR for this purpose, creating new possibilities for client interaction and understanding. When choosing a VR software for your practice, prioritize solutions that can be used by as many team members as possible. Building a practical Revit to VR workflow ensures that your investment in VR technology is widely used and that the power of VR presentations reaches as many clients as possible.
Brilliant. Here we have some client testimonials explaining why they are happy using Yulio. We've got Andrew in Toronto. He says that Yulio let us create spatial cohesion by stringing together multiple scenes with hotspots. That way, someone not used to looking at our plans can understand and orient themselves much more clearly. Pauline says that Yulio was the easiest and most intuitive tool since I was already using CAD programs, which is exactly what we're showing you today. And Azim, who's a designer, says that Yulio Jump has become a tool we use every single day in our practice. We're absolutely getting a huge return on our investment in Yulio. That's one of the most attractive benefits for them.
Okay, so now let's put theory into practice with a live demo of the Revit to VR workflow using Yulio. So we're going to be transforming a Revit model into a VR experience in just a few clicks. So in Revit here, I have my VR model. And just so you know, the only thing you need to ensure you have to get your model ready for rendering is a couple of 3D views set up around your model. The only other thing you might want to consider adding, but is not a requirement, might be a floor plan, because you can navigate using floor plans within Yulio as well. So once you have your views set up, all you have to do is go to the add-ins tab and find the Yulio Jump plugin. Once we open that up, it only takes a few clicks before we can push our project to the cloud to render. So the only thing I'm going to do here is, first off, you can select the scenes that you want to render. You can do as many as you like. I'm going to make sure my Add Navigation Hotspots box is checked off. All that does is it adds your point-to-point navigation in Yulio. You can also add a floor plan if you like, or you can leave that as none if you don't want to add one. And then you can also automatically send the project to your VR headset for viewing right away. So next, all we're going to do is hit our Create VR Project button, and in a couple of minutes, your project will be rendered in the cloud and sent to your Yulio account. So you'll have a project that looks just like this rendered in your account. And let's take a look at what that looks like fully rendered. So we have our 360 scenes, which again, you can view on an internet browser, on any device, a computer, phone, tablet. And then we have our auto-generated navigation hotspots. All we do is click on those to navigate. And we can also open our floor plan using the floor plan icon down here in the bottom left and navigate that way as well. It's literally as quick as that. All it takes is a few clicks, like I just showed you, to render out of Revit. So now I'm going to switch back and hand it back over to Reggiani.
Yeah, and there you have it. Today, we've explored the exciting world of virtual and augmented reality and its potential to revolutionize the way architects engage with their clients and present their designs. By establishing a practical Revit to VR workflow, architects can create immersive and captivating experiences, leading to faster client sign-offs, enhanced collaboration, and more efficient design iterations. We've seen how VR and AR offer architects the power to visualize their designs like never before, fostering deeper client engagement and a shared understanding of the projects. These technologies streamline the design process, provide a competitive advantage in the market, and future-proof architectural practices for the ever-evolving AEC industry.
In conclusion, embracing virtual and augmented reality as important tools in an architect's practice opens up a world of possibilities. The ability to step into virtual spaces and overlay digital elements onto the real world adds a new dimension to architectural presentations. By creating a seamless Revit to VR workflow, architects can unlock the full potential of VR and AR, delivering outstanding client experiences that leaves a lasting impact. So why wait? It's time to take the leap into the immersive world of VR and AR. Start transforming your architectural presentations today and embark on a journey of enhanced communication, faster decision-making, and elevated client satisfaction.
To experience the power of VR and AR in your architectural practice, we invite you to try out Yulio's platform for yourself. Sign up for a free trial at yulio.com and see how easy it is to create captivating VR presentations directly from your Revit files. Don't miss the chance to elevate your designs, impress your clients, and stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving industry. Thank you all for joining us today. And remember, the future of architectural presentations is at your fingertips with VR and AR. Let's embrace these transformative technologies together and shape the future of architecture. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in contact. You can see my email address on screen. So it'll be a pleasure to speak to you if you want to. Thank you.